Today, June 23, 2025,
And this will be our introduction to the channel. Again, I'm Lorraine.
I am Marga.
I'm Rudeline.
And I'm Har.
And we are the Maid Squad. How did we come up with the name Maid Squad?
So, nag-come up po kami sa Maid Squad. Kinuha po namin yung first letter ng surnames namin, tapos pinag-combine po namin. So, yung naging result po is Maid Squad.
And actually, M stands for
Menggotes.
Ayan, nandyan po siya.
Yes,
Ang spirit. And then, A stands for Abriol, which is my surname. V stands for
Villas.
E stands for
Intervention.
And last, S stands for
Sanchez.
And that's how maids are made. And we just added the squad. So, it's the maid squad.
More funny videos.
More random videos.
Like food content or
Games.
our daily lives.
Yes, daily vlog. Even on weekends. That's all we have planned for today. And that's all. Thank you.
Yes.
If you want to get to know us more, here's our socials. And bye-bye.
Just click like and share and click the